Excuse me, guys. Sorry to bother you. So my name is Jubin. So I go up to people, take their photos, and post them on my social media. Just wondering if I can get your picture by any chance.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. You guys can stand here. Do you want me to hold your jacket or something? Thank you. It's alright. Yeah, I'll take single as well, but both of yours as well. Yeah.
Good night. I don't know if it's okay.
Yeah, it's good, but can I take your single photos as well, please?
Oh, that's cute. Oh, thank you.
Cheers. Can you stand here? Thank you. Where are you from?
Belgium.
Oh, nice.
Well, not really nice.
Why not?
It's not really a pretty country or something.
Ah.
I don't like it.
So how long are you here for?
Till Sunday?
Nice. Did you like it here?
Yeah. Oh, it's...
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
That's good. What's your name?
Thank you.
Mina. Mina. Okay.
Yeah.
And your name?
Sarai.
Sarai.
Yeah.
Okay. You can stand here. I think the background is good here. Can you look at her?
I don't know. Oh, this one is pretty.
That's good. I like that one.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So you take pictures of random people?
Yeah, random people.
That's a fun.
Yeah, so that is my Instagram page.
I'll follow you. I
Thank you.
am Wondernuts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yes. So what's your name? I didn't ask actually.
My name is Jubin.
Jubin?
Yeah.
And you are from?
India.
And you're here for...
So I came here for my masters. So I completed my masters. So I live here.
For your masters.
Yeah.
I would love to study here too.
Yeah,
because I study now in Belgium.
Okay.
And she's only in high school, but she also said, I would love to study here.
Oh, nice.
Let's hope and pray. Because I love it here. It's so beautiful. And nice people.
Oh yeah, it is.
I think. I haven't met anyone who was rude.
Oh really?
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. You have a nice time in London. See you. Bye bye.